Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Yamaha FZ-07. This twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled sport bike is not going to be here long. It is really cool. Wait till you hear the awesome Two Brothers exhaust on this thing. One of the best sounding pipes I've heard on a bike. Flush mount turn signals that act as marker lights. It's got the little windscreen, bar end mirrors, only 4970 miles. Beautiful yellow wheels on a shark gray exterior paint scheme. Fender illuminator. Price to sell $59.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, make your sport bike dreams come true. This awesome FZ-07 from Yamaha. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.